Hello, and welcome to another update video on Virtuals Protocol, a chart that we have covered quite a lot in our membership area, also in the member live sessions that we run every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC. Bear in mind, this week's session already happened a few days ago because we pulled it forward. However, reason for this video is because a lot of members have actually asked for another update. So on Discord, a lot of you, I think, either are trading this on the micro or you're a bit over positioned, I guess, because the market hasn't moved that much. We are possibly now working on a fifth wave to the upside here in circle wave 1. I don't think we have a healthy fifth wave yet. I would love to see maybe another final push. Sometimes that last high doesn't happen. We already have 5 waves up in circle wave 1 from this swing low there. In October, I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3, I've got a wave 4. This could be the 5, but in the fifth wave, I'd like to see one more high in the fifth wave of that fifth wave. You see, this is consolidation, and the idea is that we should ideally hold above $1.50. Now, to be honest, ideally we hold above $1.58, but I said I'll give this fourth wave a little bit more room in case we are not dealing with an impulse here, but with a diagonal pattern, but it looks impulsive. So ideally, the market would hold above $1.58. We continue to grind higher than $2.32 would be the next ideal target, because this is 61.8 extension. The 50% extension is not really a relevant Fibonacci extension level. However, I show it because there is always so much room between the 38.2 extension and the 61.8. So $1.90 is the level that we talked about as first target. We reached it perfectly. I mean, target was reached, right? $1.90. Perfect. So, but that is only the very first target. And, if we look at this structure, the fifth wave in an impulse should also be 5 waves. I mean, I can only see 3. So if this is 4, maybe still extending, then one more push should round it off. And 232 would be the ideal target. Maybe even this third isn't even finished. But again, all of that doesn't really matter so much. Whether we are still in the third or already in the fourth, the support area is the same. That should give you all the relevant levels here for the coming sessions. Any break below $1.51 is our first signal that circle wave 1 has already topped. So far, I like what I see here. I mean, the price was Virtuals was one of the first coins actually breaking out above this 6th of October high, 3rd of October high, above this resistance range. Then broke out, came down to retest this previous resistance area as support. Yeah, they held the $1.19 area, and we could indeed now be moving up in this fifth wave. So that's the thesis. What I wanted the market to avoid was a break below that 119 level, as you remember probably. And yep, it was avoided, which is great. Even though technically this wave 4 could have gone a little lower. So I mean, this is one of the few coins, which is why I titled this, is this the most bullish chart at the moment in crypto? I mean, it's of course a little bit, it's a bit exaggerated, right? However, I mean, it's probably from all the coins I'm covering, the only one that's really moving impulsively. Virtuals already moved impulsively back in April. That's why we had it on the radar. But it also couldn't escape the vortex on the 10th of October, this flash crash. So it suffered as well. But until then, everything was great. We had a 5-wave move up. Here, a corrective pullback. Nice 45-degree angle. Typical corrective pullback, but then the 10th of October came and it was all destroyed. So we can now try again. But yeah, it's a coin that has the tendency to move in impulsive structures, which is good and rare these days. So of course we keep watching, we keep an eye on it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.